How to do kettlebell side raise step by step. 1. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Hold a kettlebell in each hand at your sides, palms facing in toward your thighs. Keep a slight bend in your elbows, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. 2. Lift phase. Raise both kettlebells out to the sides in a wide arc until your arms are about shoulder height, parallel to the floor. Keep palms facing downward or slightly angled, like pouring water from a jug. 3. Lower phase. Slowly lower the kettlebells back to the starting position with control. Avoid letting them drop or using momentum. Muscles worked. Lateral deltoids, side shoulders, main target. Anterior deltoids, front shoulders, assist. Trapezius and upper back, stabilization. Core, prevents leaning, swaying. Tips for success. Use light to moderate kettlebells. Raises are an isolation move, not heavy strength work. Keep your shoulders down. Don't shrug as you lift. Move slow and controlled, especially on the lowering phase. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.